guys, welcome to my channel. How you doing? This is your girl Nubian Princess. So today I'm going to jump right into the video. I am going to be discussing the pros and cons of having lock extensions. Part A is going to focus on the pros and part B is going to focus on the cons. So let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like or the dislike button. Whichever one you like is fine with me. Thanks again. The pros. The pros of having lock extensions are as follows. The first one that I would like to focus on is the fact that you can just wake up with long, beautiful, luscious locks. Now, with somebody like me that has a round face and a big old head, a big head, I definitely need longer hair to frame my face. So this time when I got my second install done, I made sure I got 8 to 10 inches worth of lock extensions. My first install was 6 inches and I hated it. So this second one, I made sure I did it longer. And yes, so I am definitely happy. And this is a pro about having lock extensions. The fact that you don't have to wait for your hair to grow. The second pro of having lock extensions is the fact that it is convenient. It's one of those hairstyles that you can just get up and go. And so what I mean by that is when you are at home and you wake up every day to start your day, and obviously you're happy that you woke up, you are looking forward to your day, and a lot of people focus on getting ready, doing their makeup and all that, and their hair. Now with lock extensions, I don't have to worry about the hair aspect of things. I just get up, get dressed, and move. Now I have lock extensions right now, and I have 2-strand twists, and as you can see with the 2-strand twists, this is how I wake up every day. I woke up just like this. I woke up like this. I don't have to do anything. I don't have to curl it. I don't have to plug in my curling iron. I don't have to put any glue and wait for it to set. Now I am not knocking anybody that does that, so please do not be offended by what it is that I'm saying in this video. All I'm saying is to each their own. And for me, the convenience of having lock extensions is beautiful. It allows me to just get up and be on the move because I have stuff to do, and I am definitely a hustler and I need to be out of the house like that. So this is the second pro of having lock extensions, the fact that I can just get up and go and I don't have to spend hours styling my hair. So pros of having lock extensions, make sure you subscribe to hear the cons of having lock extensions. I do want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. I love you guys, and don't forget to like or dislike the video, and I appreciate you guys for staying tuned. Bye.